Okay, now 1.19 was constructing to bisect an angle. So what we want to do is we want to just draw an angle. So I'm just going to pick random lines. I'm going to draw a little bit bigger than some of y'all were in class. Okay, and I'm going to label this AOB. Okay, let me verify you can see this in the camera. Yes, you can. Okay, so I've got AOB. Now, that's all I'm given. So, I'm going to take my compass, and it says with O as the center, meaning your pointy part of your compass goes on O, and any radius. I'm just going to leave it open to what I had just a minute ago on the other video I was making. Mark arcs on side AO and AB. So you need to draw an arc somewhere on this line and this line. So with my pointy part on O, there's one arc and there's another. They don't look much like, almost look like a straight line, but believe it or not, it is an arc because we were circling around with our compass there. Number 2 says, oh, I'm sorry, it says label them C and D. Okay? Now, with D as the center, okay, your pointy part, I'm sorry, I'm skipping number 2. With C as the center, and a radius greater than 1/2 of the distance from CD. So let's look at the distance from CD. This is approximately the distance from CD. Let me get it a little bit tighter. There we go. That's approximately the distance from C to D. Now, half of that is going to be somewhere in here. So I want to make sure that I've got a radius or a compass width a little bit greater than half of the distance between C and D. So with C as my center, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arc out here in space, in between angle AOB. Now, not moving my compass, I'm going to put the pointy part on D and draw an arc as well, creating an intersection, which I'm going to label point P. Then, when I draw my line, and I take my protractor, this should be this line that I just drew, line OP, should cut the angle AOB exactly in half or bisect it. And again, you'll want to get out your protractor to check, because a couple of y'all had some problems today with that. So double check on that.